You suspect your loved one is being over-medicated in a nursing home, there's several things you can do. Number one, you can ask the director of nurses or the supervising nurse to see what medications they're giving your loved one, and compare that to the medications that they were receiving prior to going into the nursing home. Number two, you can request a meeting with the staff at the nursing home, including the director of nurses, specifically to address what medications your loved one is on in the nursing home. Also, you can request that the doctor be at this care meeting regarding your loved one. It's a common complaint I get about nursing homes that the loved one is over medicated, they're groggy, they don't recognize their family members when they go in there, whereas they did prior to going in there. All they want to do is sleep, and that leads to a whole host of other problems. So I would be very concerned if you think that your loved one's being over medicated in the nursing home. So ask to see the meds, compare the meds to what they were taking prior to that, ask for a care meeting, and then maybe even go to your loved one's prior doctor they had prior to going into the nursing home and show them the list of meds and say, this is what my loved one is being given at the nursing home, and ask if it's appropriate. Because unfortunately, over medication and over medicating of patients in nursing homes is becoming a very serious problem. And like I said, it leads to a host of other problems such as infections, dehydration because they're sleeping all the time and they're not getting adequate hydration or nutrition, and leads to bed sores. I mean, it leads to a whole host of other problems. So as soon as you identify it, I would jump on it immediately and try to resolve the problem. And if you're not satisfied with that, then and your loved one is sleeping all the time, I'd seriously consider getting my loved one out of that nursing home, because it's a very dangerous situation if it happens over a prolonged period of time.